working on this plow today, I had an issue. It stopped lifting up and down, and then I happened to look under here, and I see looks like a little mouse nest. So I think I gotta crack it open, clean it out, and there's probably some loose wires from Ratatouille, if you know what I mean. And of course, I don't have a big enough wrench for this, so I'm using vice grips, channel ish. Success. Holy cow, that's a whole nest right there. I'm gonna guess that's probably my problem. Somewhere in these wires. I'll have to trace them all out. I bet one of these is shorted out. So I was able to turn the hydraulic pump on when I was activating. It just didn't move up or down, left or right. So I'm getting power to the pump and everything. It's just the solenoids weren't opening to activate anything. You got multiple completely bare wires. That one's just completely gone. This one's there, that one's exposed. So I'm sure none of this was working because of a short. So I'll have to see if these have been spliced a few times already, it looks like. So I may have to go further back or see what I can do because the cable's already pretty tight. Alright, so I got new Deutsch connectors. I think that's how you pronounce them. So I'm just going to replace this one and that one. I don't have a lot of play on this one. This one's already been clearly patched a few times, so I may have to go a little further back. But this one seems pretty cut and dry. Cut there, and splice it in. And these ones already come stripped. Do not know if polarity is specific, left or right, so I'm just gonna stick with making sure I keep the same ones in the same orientation. I'm gonna work from the other side here, it's a little easier. So that goes that way, so this goes to this one. That goes to that one. So let me do this one first. That.
Alright, I'm just going to pull the truck close enough so I can just at least plug it in and test everything, because I don't want to put it all back together before it's, it's actually working. Okay, so I tested it off camera. Well, it had recording, but it wasn't recording. So I did just pull the truck in, plug it in, everything worked. It broke the zip ties holding this hydraulic cylinder up. So I'm just gonna put it all back together and hook it up. This is Friday, January 23rd. In 2 days, we're gonna have like one of the biggest snowstorms in a long time. So hopefully I'll be ready to go with this. No idea how much we got of this. Camera stopped recording again, but very close. Right there. I think I gotta come forward just a hair more. See if that did it. Crank this center up a little bit. That should do it. I'm using a dead block. So close. This is it. We're gonna get it. Success!